Alright, so here we have 5 units right here. Here we have a Goodman, 2 York Stellars. One's really hacked. Yeah, this is a Stellar. Yeah, 2 Goodmans, and then a little carrier, YCC. So here's this one. It's a Goodman. Man, it's windy. Spider webs on this thing. That is a Copeland Emerson scroll. And unknown motor. 14 to 15 SEER. 2018 2-ton GSZ 14. Has not been running, obviously. There's a York Stellar. This one's pretty hacked up here. Rusty as usual. 4-blade. That might be a Bristol. Yeah, that's a Bristol. Down here, they got the date. It's a 3-ton from, I'm gonna decode that. Maybe hard to see, but, yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of that for myself. There's another one right here. I think this one also has a Bristol. Actually, I'm not sure what that one is. That might be a, no, that's actually a Bristol. Has not been running. It's really, man, it's tight behind here. Ugh. Just says motors. Don't know what that means. Down here, this one's a 2-ton from, also gonna decode that. That one looks like the same. The serial number RA. The serial number might be easier to see. Anyways. And this Goodman right. Oh, there's actually one more. There's 6 units here. There's another Goodman Copeland Emerson scroll. Oh, this is actually a heat pump. I think these. Yeah, these are all heat pumps. Here. But yeah. Heat pumps. 13 SEER. Whoa, that's weird. 2014. It's a 3-ton from. It's a GSZ 13. And then this little mini Bryant here that I didn't realize was here. I think it's a Bryant. I'm not sure. This is a Tecumseh. This one's just a straight cool. 1995, 38 CKB, 2.5 ton. There, almost. And then this last carrier, CKC right here, or sorry, YCC. Copeland Recip. It's a heat pump. 1998, 1.5 ton, 38 YCC. It's not gonna. Alright. Yeah. 6 units. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll move this thing so you can see this. Yeah, 6 units. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Over now.